Hey guys, so welcome to this tutorial about Picometrics connector for Facebook pages. I'm going to show you how to download the connector and connect your Facebook account to it so you can get all the data from your account. So in your Looker Studio account, you create on this button, create button, and select data source. Then we're going to search for Picometrics connector. So you type in Picometrics in the search bar. And we're going to select Facebook page data with EI. So then we'll have to go through the authorization process and the authentication. I already gave Looker Studio access to my Google account, so now I'm gonna give it access to my Facebook account. Then I select the button reconnect. Or if it's like the first time you're connecting, giving access Looker Studio to your Facebook account, you'll have to enter your username, password, authentication for your Facebook account. Then you will get access. You will get access to the connector. For me, I already gave my credentials to Looker Studio Facebook account, so I had this screen where it says like reconnect to your Facebook account. So here now it's success. I like Looker Studio have all the necessary information to get access to my account. So I close this session, this window, and then Looker Studio will grab the data. But first I have to select which Facebook page I want to get the data from. So the connector automatically look into your accounts and bring all the Facebook pages or the Facebook account that you have access to, and they're going to be listed here in this drop down list, and you'll have to choose which one of them you want to access the data. Then after that, you're going to have to select which content type you want to get. Like here we have different content types that are available. So if you want to bring the page statistics, you can select page insights. If you want to have the posts statistics specifically, you select here post insight. If it's like the stories, you want to get like the stats of your stories, or reels or videos, you're gonna have to select which one of them. Each one, like each time you're able to select just like one item from this reports. So first here I'm gonna select page insights, but I'm gonna show you that you will need actually like to add other reports in your dashboard template in order to get like all the data that you want. And then I will show you how to do that. So it's very simple, like it's the same thing like this the first time, but instead of doing it once, like you will have to connect to the connector again and create like another data source from the same connector. So now I click next, but don't worry about that. I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video. The period here, I'm gonna select day. So I have like, I wanna have the statistics, daily statistics. The number of months, it's for how long I wanna go back to bring the data. So I'm gonna choose like here, just like to have like quick answers from the API. I'm gonna select like 6 months. Then click next. And for the prompt, this is for the EI. So it allows you to chat with your data and to ask questions. So I'm gonna click and check this parameter here. So I will be able to interact with my data and chat with it from the dashboard directly. And for the report template, I'm gonna keep it like checked because I wanna use the report template that comes with the connector. Then I'm gonna click next, allow parameter sharing. This allows these parameters here that to be modified from the dashboard. So here you go. Now we have all the fields that are available in the connector here and their descriptions. And this description are gonna show up like in your dashboard. When you edit the dashboard, you can just like hover on the fields and you're gonna like see the description of each one of them. So now click create reports. And then it's gonna grab the report template that comes with the connector and starts populating your data. There you go. And here, as you can see, you have automatically in your dashboard EI insights and recommendations about your Facebook page, Facebook account. So you will have like key insights about your performances, about engagement, follower engagement, etc. And you have also here recommendations based on the analysis of your data. So what's you should do or what you should put in place in order to improve the performance or your Facebook page. Okay, of course, like anytime if you have any questions, you need support, you can always like click on this button here. It goes directly to our contact us form on our website, and you can send us any questions, ask for anything if you need any support on your dashboards and your connectors. Then after that, yes, here in the prompt, you can of course like you can ask questions about your data, just like submit, write down your questions, and then you will get the answers right down below here. And this is the way that you can interact with your data directly from your dashboard. That we're gonna go to the next page. So this report will need different data sources from the same connector. So as I told you before, I downloaded this data source from the connector, and I downloaded the page report. So all the data related to the page. So I'm gonna call it here, name it page, just to be clear. Done. Then I will go to resource, manage added data sources. I'm gonna add like another data source from the same connector. I'm gonna type in here Picometrics. Here you go. Now I'm gonna select Facebook page data with AI. Sometimes like Looker Studio is a bit slow when you're searching for partner connectors. So just like be a little bit patient, then it's gonna show up. So I select this Facebook page here. Then I'm gonna like go through the same process, but this time since I went through the authentication process, I won't go through it again. I will just go directly to the configuration page. Then you select the page. I'm gonna select like the same page, of course, because I want to show this data source on the same reports. And this time I'm gonna select the posts insights. Then I'm gonna click next. Then for the period, I'm gonna select, of course, this is the only option, lifetime, number of months. I'm gonna select also like, for this one, I'm gonna select just like 3 months. I just want to have the data for the posts of the last 3 months. And then I'm gonna select next. Now I'm gonna click on allowed prompts to be modified in the report so I can chat with my data through AI, and I click add allow parameter sharing. Okay, and then here you see this template, you have like different reports, one for the page or the account, Facebook page, and one for the posts, and one page for the videos, and another one for the reels. So I select the one for the post because I just downloaded the report for the posts. Here you go. This is for the page, so I'm gonna change it to, see here, it's the data source for the page. So the last one I downloaded was this one. So I'm gonna edit it just to change the name to have clear name. It's posts here. Done. Then I close this window here. I'm gonna change it here to Facebook page data with AI insights for posts. Once I changed the data source, so now I'm gonna, but always like keep selecting this tab here, and then I'm gonna go to the Facebook data source for posts. I'm gonna look for post created time, so this one here, update in the dimension, and I'm gonna add like post picture just to have a visual of the post. So here it shows up like as a link, so all I have to do is go edit this field and go to URL. Instead of URL, I select image. Then here you have the image of the posts, of your posts, and you have the statistics here about your posts, reactions, love, wow, all the statistics that you want for your post for the last 3 months as we selected in the configuration page. So here you have the prompts. You can always ask question, what is the best post what's the best performing post, for example, etc. And here you have like key insights and recommendations that the AI will give you key insights and recommendation on the provided data. So you can have read this here, and it gives you some insights to improve the performance of your posts. So we can do also like the same thing for the other page for videos. So we're gonna add another data source from the same connector. Go to click add data source. Then we're gonna go to Picometrics connectors. Then again, I select Facebook page connector on Picometrics. Then again, I select the page from Facebook account and select the content. For this time, I'm gonna select videos and click next. Then I'm gonna select the period. The only possible option is lifetime. So it brings all the data for your videos since the beginning. Since the first time you have posted your video. For a number of months, I'm gonna select like 3 months. Then I hit next. Then I select for the prompts. I already checked this one here, so I can change, interact with my data from the report. I click add, allow parameter sharing. Now that I have added this data source, go to add data source. This one here, I'm gonna edit this one. So it is for the videos statistics. Done. Then I'm gonna do the same thing for reels. So I can have all the data sources that I need for this report templates ready. Then I select the same connector Facebook page. Then I select for this one reels, and you can do the same thing for stories also. Then I click next after selecting the page. Of course, you hit next. Then after that, you choose the period, lifetime, number of months, 3 months. Again, you check this button, this radio button here, and then you click add, allow parameter sharing. Again, I'm gonna go to resource here, manage as data sources, and this one here is the last one I uploaded. I'm gonna change its name to reels. Done. Close this window. So now I have my data sources. Then I'm gonna go to videos page here, but before that, you have this button here where you can resume updates and pause updates. It's better to pause the updates when you're doing changes, so it doesn't. So Looker Studio doesn't do API requests for your data when you don't need it to be updated when you're doing modifications, and then we can resume that afterward when we're done with the updates, with the modifications. So I go to videos here. I select this tab here, and then I'm gonna change the data source for videos for the one that I just created. Video ID. You can add here another dimension. For example, I want to add video title. Okay, type in here video title. Here you go, and then grab it and add it whenever you want, whatever you want, whatever you want. And then here in this filter, I'm gonna change instead of page link, I'm gonna put video title video as a filter. I have first to change the source, the face data source. I'm gonna change it to videos. Then in this data source, I have the field video title. There you go. In this video retention graph, I will also change it to my data source, Facebook data page with AI videos. And do the same thing here. Select the right data source for this report. And I'm going to do the same thing here. videos, and then I'm gonna select here insights to have AI insights for the video reports. Okay. So this report here for the retention graph, it's very useful report. So it shows you like how many people stays how long on your videos. So you're gonna be able to see like for example 90 like 81% of the people stays for example less than a year, like based on the length of your video. So it is divided on uh, 40 times 40 slots, and then like 40 for example here it's 80% basically like leave the video mm, after 4 slots of your video of your videos in general. If you want to look for a specific video title, so in this filter here we're going to be able to select the video that you want to analyze, and then like have the retention graph to show like how long people stay on this video. So you know, you see here like it's descendants here, like the more you go in the video less people are are, are, are watching the video till the end. So now I'm gonna resume the updates and see what that looks like. There you go. I have statistics here. So this one here is for a period of time, 88 period of time, like there was no views here for all the videos. For this one, I see the retention graph. So you see, for example, here, 5 people. It's actually like the percentage, 0.54 people. It's like here, when it says like 0.44, it means like 44% of people who started the video lasted or watched it till the 8th slot of your video. And of course, you do the same thing for Reels. Change the data source to the last one I just downloaded. I'm gonna post the updates when I'm doing the changes. I mean, also, I'm gonna choose the Reels data source, and for the EI, also, I'm gonna choose the Reels. So the EI will be relative to the Reels reports. Then you can resume the updates. So here you go. So this is how we can use this Facebook page connector with the report template that comes with it. If you have any questions, if you need support, you can always reach out to us at picometrics.io/contact form. No, by clicking on this link here, and we'll be glad to help you out. I'm gonna show you one more thing. In case like you don't have the template, doesn't come up automatically as it should be with when you download the connector, I'm gonna give you the link of the template in the description below, and then you will be able to use it. So you grab the link, open a new tab, and paste the link in your browser, hit the enter button, then you're gonna download the template. Once you upload the template, so you will have to change, in order to see the data, you have to change the data here, use my own data, and I'm gonna replace with my data sources. Then you choose here the connector Facebook page data with AI. and change all these data sources here, and then you will be able to click edit and share, so you create your own copy of the template in your Looker Studio account and get your data. I hope you find this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and you can reach out to us via the link below here, my support team, if you need support or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. See you for another tutorial.